What are we doing, Milo, today?
We're opening up a ice cream box.
An ice cream maker?
Yeah.
Wow, that's exciting.
What's your favourite flavour ice cream, Milo? What do you want to make with this machine?
I want to know. I would say strawberry.
Strawberry. What we're going to do, I think, is need to turn this upside down.
Hey, I like strawberry.
Look at that one!
I
You
like,
can make ice cream with Smarties in it.
I like Smarties.
Right, so what are we going to find in here? What's this?
Instructions.
Some instructions.
Do you think we might get a recipe book with it as well to tell us how to make the things? That's good. It's good that they use the cardboard packaging now though, isn't it, instead of all the polystyrene.
Good job.
You're going to lift this up.
I wonder if this is going to be quite heavy.
Reasonably heavy.
What's going to be in that one, Milo, do you think?
A tap.
Lid. And a tub.
Wow, that's going to be good, isn't it? I think that must be the bit that's going to go in the freezer, isn't it?
Yes.
And it's good we've got two. I think this, Milo, is all going to be one big heavy thing, so do you want to rip it open?
Wowzers, that's so exciting.
Look at that. That looks like one
Great,
ice
look.
cream machine.
Another packaging.
Well, that must mean we're able to make 3 lots of ice cream at the same time. What?
One for Daddy, one for Mummy, and one for Mummy and Daddy to share? No, who's the third one for?
Isa, our cat. So let's have a look, see what we have got here.
Oh, this is where the bits, this might be the sharp bit.
It is.
So this is the paddle. So that is going to go in the top here.
That one's got a QR code on. I wonder if it's something useful. Oh look, can you read what it says on there? I don't think you'll be able to quite see
What's
it.
Say? This says, scan to get started and try hundreds of recipes.
Let's make some ice cream.
So I think our mixture needs to be in the freezer for 24 hours. So it's worth bearing that in mind if you're buying and hoping to make ice cream straight away. So I think I found a home for the ice cream maker. So I think it's going to go next to our SodaStream and the Siemens coffee machine that I'm going to do a review of at some point in the future. The first thing I found is that actually, although this is not particularly high up, the cable for the ice cream maker, the Ninja, is actually pretty small and not really quite long enough. So I've had to reorganise all the plugs underneath it.
So over here we have some milk. And over there we have double extract.
A double cream.
Double
cream.
And what else do you have?
Cocoa powder.
Some cocoa powder, okay.
What's this? Cream cheese.
Cream cheese.
What's this look like?
And some sugar.
Okay.
And vanilla.
And what are we going to make?
Ice cream.
So we're making easy chocolate ice cream. So we're putting we're going to put the ingredients in the bowl and freeze them. They need to freeze for 24 hours before we can actually turn it into ice cream. First of all, we need to mix it. So first of all, we need the cream cheese in the bowl, please. You need the cocoa powder. Ooh. Yeah. And then you need the sugar. Brilliant. And then I'm going to measure out the vanilla extract for you.
Okay.
How much vanilla extract do you need in the
So
recipe?
you need a 1.5 teaspoons.
I'm going to start mixing.
So we go 1.5. Right, and then can you mix that all together, Milo?
Bet that vanilla extract's been in our cupboard for a long time, is it?
It's still it's not still in date. So it says to mix it for 60 seconds or until it looks like frosting. Do you know what frosting is, Milo? Icing for cakes. Can I have
It's
a
an
go?
American word, isn't it, frosting?
So I need to get rid of all these lumps of cream cheese. Who'd have thought you had cream cheese in your ice cream?
Looks a bit like soil to me.
Yeah.
Oh, we will have soil ice cream.
Compost ice cream.
Oh, you know what we could do, Milo?
What?
We can get some of those sweetie worms and make it into a sweetie mud pie.
No.
No?
Sweetie mud ice cream.
Mud ice cream.
Now, time to pour the milk in.
It's looking.
Sort of come together, hasn't it?
Let's get the milk in.
So it says slowly mix it in. So put a
That's
little
the
bit
cream.
in. Yeah, it's milk and cream. It doesn't they go in at the same time? So just a little bit.
That'd do.
Perfect. And then we'll give it a mix.
Mummy, you help me with the milk.
Yeah, that's in a big jug, isn't it? Right, are you going to do some mixing then?
Yeah.
Right, so we've nearly mixed in all the cream. Let's get some of this milk in. Still quite lumpy.
So this is what it looks like. Bit more milk.
Yeah, a bit more milk.
Bit more.
Yeah. Right.
Bit more.
Oh, what have you found there, Milo?
Chocolate chips.
Some
Right.
chocolate chips. Are we going to sneak those in?
Yeah.
Go on then, chuck them in. Oh, it's not sneak them in our
Some of them got
mouths.
eaten before they could go in the ice cream.
And then what we need to do is pour this in here carefully, and then we're putting this in the freezer, okay?
So is that the container that just came out with the ice cream maker?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
So, oh, we've got a few lumpy bits at the bottom there. Mainly chocolate chips. Let me just scoop those last bits in. A few bits of cocoa powder. Didn't quite dissolve properly. It's got different markers on the side of this jug, and I'm assuming, because we've followed the recipe, that it's exactly where we need it to, but it comes up to, on this side, just up to the max
Now the
fill.
max fill line.
So hopefully all is good. Right, lid on. So what?
So this is frozen now.
How long did we have to leave it to freeze?
24 hours.
Yeah, we didn't realise that, did we, when we first started, so that was a bit of a shame.
Yes, so now we're going to make the ice cream.
Okay, and what do we have to do to make the ice cream?
So we take the lid off the frozen pot. Let me open this for you. Right, if I bring it round here, then everyone will be able to see it. So we open this up, and then
In you go the ice cream.
that bit goes in. It's got little slots in the bottom, so it all fits in.
Okay.
And then we're going to put the lid on here. Click it in, and then can you slide it in? Beautiful. So we're going to turn this on. So can you press the power button?
Power!
And then we need to, so the install light's saying that the cup isn't in properly. So we need to twist that up. And then we need to select full. And then we need to make sure
Some ice cream, yeah.
and then we need to press it in to start. And this is when there's an option to add in some add-ons. So it does say it might not be quite how we like it, but let's have a look. Oh. So it's looking, don't eat all of them, Milo. It's looking a bit crumbly, which is what it said it might do. And it just says you can mix it a bit more. And then it says, so we can either re-spin it like this, or we can add some extra chocolate drops. So I am just trying to dig a hole down to the bottom, so Milo can
Stop eating all the
stop
chocolate drops.
eating all the chocolate drops. If there are any chocolate drops left, Milo, Not the ones in your hand, but the ones in the packet.
Pop them in there.
Can you tip them in this hole? Tip them all in. And then
you're going to respin it, right?
yes, so we're going to just do it on, so it's got a mixing option that you just respin it on, so it's not as long, I don't think. Milo, can you hold the spoon, please? Oh, cheeky taste test, what was it like? Good. So again, we're going for the full and mixing.
Our chocolate ice cream is ready. We're just gonna.
Should we have a look?
We're gonna have a look at it, and then we're gonna put it into bowls.
Are you ready? So this should be chocolate ice cream with chocolate drops.
Let's have a look down there. Wowzers, that looks good.
Should we scoop some out?
Yeah, this is my bowl.
Do we say?
I thought the smallest bowl was for Milo.
Do we say the proof is in the tasting?
Yeah. This is double chocolate, so you get 2 scoops each.
Oh, is that how
double chocolate works?
Yeah.
Yeah, double chocolate means you get 2 scoops, not that it's got 2 lots of chocolate in. Well, it feels nice. It feels like a good soft scoop ice cream.
Good. It's really good.
Do you think it's as good or better than the ice cream that you buy from the shop?
Better than the one I buy from the shop.
Do you think it is better than the ice cream we've had on holiday? Because we've had some good ice cream on holidays. That is very nice.
Yeah.
I wonder what we can make next.
Pineapple sorbet is a really quick one.
Okay, so we could do that. What about rum and raisin ice cream? That's Daddy's favourite.
I don't know if we can do that. I don't know if that's in the book.
I wonder if anyone watching this has any favourite ice cream flavours that they could suggest we had a go at.
Yeah, so perhaps you could pop that in the chat if you have any ones that you'd like us to give a go to. Otherwise, it will be pineapple or rum and raisin. So we're going to end this now. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe and comment, and we'll see you soon.
Thank you for watching.
Hi, I'm Milo. I'm Dime 5. Don't forget to subscribe to our videos. I hope you do.